Hi, Carol. Okay, so I wanted to go ahead and create a quick video and run through your site. Um, your site looks pretty, but the problem is it is completely in Flash. So no matter what element I click on the site, it's in the Flash player. The Flash player or a Flash animation is basically like a movie file. And of course, Flash is not supported on any of the iDevices, the iPhone or the iPad. And it is actually being phased out on the Android devices because it's a resource hog. There are some appropriate cases for Flash. For instance, YouTube uses a modified Flash player, although even YouTube is switching to what's called HTML5 for video delivery. But Flash is not good, especially for an entire website. Like I said, maybe a video presentation, but not for the entire website. So even if I click on your information page and we go to rates or we go to services or anything like that, this is all Flash animation. And the real problem with that is, or one of the big problems with that is, Google cannot index this animation. Google cannot index this text. Google can't see it. It's literally inside a movie. It's like the credits inside of a movie file. And Google just certainly can't see that. Now, to show you what I'm talking about, I went to Google and I just searched for Red River Housing. Now, the good thing is that your site pulled up second on the list. But that's only because Red River and housing was mentioned twice, which is a good thing, is in the title tag, and it was mentioned in your description tag. But watch what happens if I tell Google, hey, show me a snippet of the site. Then what we get is, again, your title tag, but we see this, can't see our site, get the latest version of Flash message. And what that is, if we just like if you go in on the iPhone, this is the message you're going to see because the Flash player is saying, hey, you can't display this, so you need to go here and get the Flash player. Now let me show you the difference. If we take a look at this number one hit here for Red River Housing, and this may not be for the Red River around here, I hadn't checked yet, but if we cascade out here, look at the preview and snippet that Google shows us here. That's because Google can go in and actually index the text on this site. What if we go down here, these Red River cabins, looks like this is in New Mexico, but let's take a look at it and notice that it can index the entire page here. What if we go down to Red River Army Depot housing and we take a look here? Same thing. It's able to index their entire site. But again, when we do that on yours, we get the Flash player message. And so I'm not sure who or how or why. Like I said, the Flash looks nice, but it is completely useless as far as functionality for the majority of a website. And we need to take a look and discuss this and get you mapped out and planned out where your website is actually working for you rather than just being a movie sitting on the internet. So let's get together, give me a call or text, and let's see if we can plan this out and get it within your budget, and we'll get you something that will be easy to maintain, relatively easy to maintain, and will be functional for you, and we can incorporate, if you want, some social media with Facebook, Twitter, and all that as well, maybe shooting some walkthrough videos and all that we talked about before. So I'll talk to you later. Thank you.